All right, guys, we're here with the Baja, and we're gonna first start of the 34. Let's see what it's like. Hi guys, welcome back to the Sweaty Potato Meyer RC channel. And today, guys, the day has come. We're gonna we're gonna run in this world's first Rovan 34cc. And before we do that, I was wanting to, kind of go over what I did for installation and everything. And by the way, I want to stress this. This is not a King Motors. This is not, Zenoa or anything. It's not any of the kind, okay? So it's got a Rovan 36cc crank in it, a Rovan 30, case, and then it also has a Rovan 32cc head and piston and rod. So it's all Rovan, guys. There's nothing King Motor or anything about this thing, okay? First of all, I wanted to get that straight because I had a lot of people saying, oh, it might be a King Motors and this and that. No, it's not, guys. It's not. So I wanted to stress that. And I did, when I installed it, I got rid of the export on the head, and that was kind of a deal because yesterday I spent a lot of the time trying to relocate my mounting bracket and all that stuff because because it's a 32cc head, everything's different, so that's the best way I can explain that. And so I got rid of the export, and then I was also going to say, guys, this does not have a velocity stack. I mean, it doesn't have a full force fuel kit. It doesn't have any of that stuff. This is just, bare bones from Allen. There's no hop up parts on it a bit. So I just wanted to, tell everybody that as well. And then, let me see what else through installation. And I was also going to say that I did not start out with stock 1757 gears. I did not do that. I started out with 1955s, and that's not nearly enough for it, guys. You're going to see that in the footage. This thing is a monster. So let's go ahead and take a look at the world's first Rovan 34cc Baja. All right, guys, we're here with the Baja, and we're gonna first start of the 34. Let's see what it's like. There we go. Whoa! This is no way! What? This is 1955 gears as well, guys. What? Listen to those RPMs it's getting. Instantly on the pipe. This is unreal, guys. Watch this. This is the first start. This hasn't even been ran, but 2 minutes, guys. That is unreal, guys. That is something else. It's getting a little... What? Wow! That is nobody's business there, boys. Listen to those RPMs, guys. That is unreal, guys. Instantly on the pipe with 1955 gears. These aren't stock gears. These are 1955s out of the box. First start and it's doing this, guys. That is nobody's business. I keep saying that. Holy smokes. Let's go down here and do some roosters. Do some digs. I can't quit doing that. My yard is gonna hate these machines, guys. This is just unreal. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, that stuff is hitting me in the face just like the FT, guys. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh! Wow! Oh my goodness, this is amazing. What? Yeah! I just can't quit. It also has a different note. Like when I'm getting on it, it's different. I can't explain it, guys. It's like deep. I'm sure the camera doesn't do it justice. What? What? Yeah! Wheels up, guys. I gotta watch that without the wheelie bar, cause that stinger. Whoa! All right, guys, we're gonna shut her down. That was amazing. All right, guys, back here in the RC car shop, and I'm telling you, this thing is nothing but a complete monster and everything. I mean, like I said, the 1955s aren't near enough, and so I got to change clutch bells, and then I'm going to move up in gears. We got so much testing to do, And then eventually this engine is going to make its way over to the FT, and we're going to see how it performs in the FT. So stay tuned for that, guys. And stay tuned for all the testing and everything to come. And I also wanted to mention Performance RC channel. It's one of me and Alan's friends, and I encourage everybody to go over to his channel and check out Performance RC. He's got all kinds of TMR engines and stuff. He puts in different Bajas and Baja Maxes and everything. So I encourage everybody to go over there and check out his channel and everything. So, so I hope everybody liked today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, and you like what you see, you should probably do that, because this is what I do. And when you subscribe, click the bell notification, select all. You get every upload I do. And don't forget, guys, if there's something on your mind, leave a comment in the comments section. We'll see you next time.